Hello, my name is Jacob Quillen Stewart, and I'll be going over the tutorials and what I did for my research project today.
The main problem that this demonstration will solve is the need for item interactability, usability, and variability to create dynamic gameplay elements so that whenever you go into this game, you will be able to pick up items, use them, and there will be several different items to avoid the game being too simple and too repetitive.
So, the first thing I want to discuss is how I created three separate items called the square key, cone key, and the sphere key. And each of these items will be able to open a separate door. And they cannot open more than one door, and they are set to which door they will be opening. The reason I chose these tutorials for my project is because they will directly correlate to what I do during the group project, mainly wanting to do gameplay mechanics such as the item pickups and interacting. So the first process I want to go over is whenever you pick up an item, it says you can press E to inspect the square key or press R to drop it. Dropping it has physics and it will roll. When you go into an inspection mode, you get a little menu popping up that tells you how to interact with it. Pressing E to leave inspection, mouse wheel zooms in and out, and clicking and dragging will rotate the item. The little item box also informs the player that the square key will go into the blue door. And clicking E again will place it into your hand, and you can place that back down. Same process with all these other items. And when you click the sphere, the item box is noticeably longer. To demonstrate that I have an automatic scrolling system that will scroll through the entire text at a readable rate, it'll pause for 2 seconds at the end and continue scrolling once again. The next thing I want to show off is how you can interact with the door when walking up to it. This one says find the correct key to open this door. This one says use the square key. And this one will also say find the correct key. So whenever you use the square key, the door will open. And as you can see, you're blocked off in this door, so you must continue. Also, you are not able to interact with the door whenever you don't have an item in your hand. And it goes based on line tracing, which is that little red dot, so it knows when you're hovering over each of the objects. Using keys to open the doors. Blocked off. And that one will allow you to escape.